That we were dealing with Zoya Minerals, CC.
Yes, sir.
Just last question on that. The transaction that you say that it's paying you was going to be worth, as far as the investment is concerned, around how much?
$1 million US.
Do you know how much is that in Namibian dollar?
Roughly around 18 to 19 million Namibian dollars.
Okay, and that is that the investment into the asset by the investor, or that is the price of acquisition, a portion of the interest in the asset?
That one is just the price of the acquisition.
Okay, does that mean that that comes to the sellers of the stake that is being sold, or what does it mean?
Yes, sir.
Or who are the sellers of the stake?
The seller are Malakia Elindi, Peter Elindi, and Jan Oredera with a 10%.
Oh, there is the third member?
There's a third member, yes.
In the CC?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I see that it's not 50-50, so I made the wrong assumption, sorry. Then the next one is Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding CC. First of all, who established this CC?
Sorry, sir, just to correct, clearing.
It's written cleaning.
Yeah, the correct
okay.
is clearing.
Okay, it's just a typo.
Yeah.
Yes, who established it and when?
This is the company that I established when
Is it a company or a CC?
A CC.
Yes.
Sorry. A CC that I established in 2004.
2004?
Yes.
Are you saying, did you acquire it from somebody, or you are the first subscribed member of the CC?
I was the first subscriber of the CC.
Okay,
If Your Worship, may I say a few things on this one?
You can
Yes,
proceed.
Okay. This is the company that
Just say a CC
a CC
for the
that I
record.
established for the record. A CC that I established in 2004.
Yes.
Just straight from, I was an employee of Manika Group then that time.
Manika Group.
Yes.
Okay.
Just starting from employment. And my wife, now the accused, Lydia Elindi, she was
That is accused number 7.
number 7,
Yes.
also an employee of the company.
What do you mean?
Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding.
Be slow.
Okay.
When you said you established it and you owned it,
Yes.
is that 100%?
No, we were
When you
with,
established it?
no, we were with another partner.
Oh, yes, then you clarify there.
Yes.
Yes.
We were 2 partners starting the company
In 2004.
2004.
Okay, and what happened to the other partner?
The other partner, we parted away in 2007, and then I became a partner with my wife.
Aha. Because in 2007.
Yeah.
Okay. In what percentage-wise?
If
What?
I can recall, it was a 50-50.
If you can recall.
Yes.
Okay, now.
That can be rectified,
It
verified.
can be, yes. I know this document came from the auditors. It says 100%. Is that correct?
No, 100%. Onyeka has not been doing business since a year and a half now, and that's when my wife resigned, and then I'm 100% now, as it's standing.
Oh, by today you are the 100%
Today I'm
member.
100%, yes.
Okay, fine. And you were supposed to say, okay, your wife became a member in 2007, you said.
Yes, around there, 2007, 2008.
And you said initially she was an employee. Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And from 2007?
From the 2007, the company continued with business.
Just for the record, there is a difference between a company and the CC.
yeah,
Just
the
stick
CC.
to the,
My apologies, sir.
yes.
From 2007, the CC continued with an operation as a clearing and forwarding company and the logistical.
Okay, just for clarity, what is clearing and forwarding on one hand and logistics on the other hand?
Clearing and forwarding is the border crossing of the goods when the goods are imported coming into the countries, there is an agent that needs to...
Speak slowly.
Yes. When the goods are imported into a countries,
Yes.
there are companies that are given license by the government to clear, which means processing documentation and verify the value and collect duty on behalf of the government.
Oh, okay. So, and you said there is a government licensing system.
Yes.
As far as clearing and forwarding.
Yes.
Logistics.
Logistic is the said CC has to organize transportation, and they has to organize warehousing to store goods on behalf of the clients.
Okay. And so from 2007 to when was your wife a member?
2004.
You say from
2024, excuse me.
to 2024?
Yes, 2024.
Okay. What, in terms of management of the CC from 2007, who was managing it?
Yeah, and this is where I wanted to say something.
Okay.
From that time, I've been the one managing the company.
Wait, what is from that time? Which time?
2007.
Okay.
And this is another pain that I have, that my
Another
wife...
pain?
Pain.
Or pain?
Pain.
Yes.
That my wife, as accused number 7, I guess.
Yes.
She's arrested because she was just a member in Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding. And she was not the one who's running the company. I'm the one who was running the company until today. And she obviously has to get a benefit as a member and as also as a spouse, so that she has to stay with the kids. On that area, I do not understand why the ACC could not able to just ask me a question for me to explain. When they were arresting us, I could have explained to them that she has nothing to do with the management of the CC.
Okay, I want you to give you while you are there, because this is important. Who took my black file? Your Worship, I'm coming to the charges. If the witness can be given the bundle that has the statute and the charges. I think the other bundle was check. Yes, my other colleague was so kind to assist Your Worship. Yes. Yes, while you are there, go to page 25 of the bundle, Your Worship.
Luckily, I'm there, sir.
Now, if you look at the top charge, 54 to 56, that is 54, 55, 56. 3 charges only. Who is the accused number 7? According at the top there. Whose name is there?
Lydia Elindi.
Who is that?
My wife.
Are you referring to accused number 7?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want you to ask you just for, can you just read out the first count against your wife, count number 54, what it says? Just start with in that between, just check.
In that between 19 to 21 July 2022, the accused entered into a dealing with Enercon Namibia and or its representative and received an amount of 3,813,000, which money the accused wrongly and unlawfully directly or indirectly obtained as a gratification from a dealing of the agreement between Enercon Pty Ltd and NAMCOR for the purchase of the 9 service stations for which she received a gratification.
Okay, now let's just, that amount is 3,813,000, 3.8 million. You see that?
Yes, sir.
As far
Mr. Namanja, before you proceed, I see it's You are referring to accused 7
Yes,
on this charge,
yes.
not to him.
Yes, he's explaining it's relevant, Your Lordship, because there's a relevant question. Yes. The charge alleged that accused number 7, Your Worship,
Yes.
entered into a dealing with Enercon. Do you know about that dealing?
I have no idea of my wife having a dealing with Enercon.
You were a director of Enercon.
Yes, sir.
During, evidence is already, during July 2022.
Yes, sir.
Did your wife ever enter into a dealing with Enercon in relation where she, and I'm saying she, her name, Lydia Elindi, where she received that amount?
No, sir. And in fact, she doesn't even know what Enercon is dealing with apart from knowing the name.
Okay. And you see, keep that amount, and it goes further, and it says that it was a gratification obtained from a dealing of the agreement, I don't know what, from a dealing of the agreement between Enercon and NAMCOR. Did your wife have anything to do, as far as you know, between Enercon and NAMCOR?
No, sir.
When you were being arrested, was your wife even asked anything, her relationship, or whether she had anything to do with the transaction of NAMCOR?
No, sir. We were together in the sitting room.
Then count number 5. Can you just, it's short, just read it out.
Count number 5.
55?
55, yeah, yes.
Should I start with in that or?
Yes.
Okay. In that or between 19 and 21 July 2022, the accused wrongfully and unlawfully conspired with Malakia Elindi, accused, and or Enercon Namibia Pty Ltd, and or its representative to receive money of 3,813,000 into the account of Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding CC.
Now, again, in the same period, were you a director of Enercon during July 2022?
Yes, sir.
Just pause. You can proceed.
The first allegation in that purported charge, do you understand what conspire is? The word conspire.
It's conspiracy.
She conspired with. Do you understand the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you say conspiracy. The charge sheet saying that she conspired with Malakia Elindi and or Enercon and or its representative to receive 3.8 million into the account of Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding CC. Did you ever conspire, whatever that means, with your wife to receive 3.8 from Enercon to Onyeka?
No, sir.
Was your wife ever involved? Was this amount ever received by Onyeka? Let me first, for clarity.
Yes, the amount was received by Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding.
Around when?
The same time of around 19 July.
So you know about it?
I know about it.
What was the amount for?
The amount was for, Onyeka has an agreement with Enercon for clearing and forwarding, storage, and the goods, because Onyeka is situated at number 15 Pasteur Street. Mm-hmm. It's a sectional title, they don't have a space. And Onyeka was having a space to store all their goods for, remember we discussed about fuel management technology, all their equipment for fuel management technology. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's why they received the money.
So receive the money from Enercon for?
From Enercon, it's for logistic, clearing, and storage.
From Enercon?
Yes.
Now, fine, you are involved in both Enercon and Onyeka.
Yes.
So, did your wife have anything to do with the decision from Enercon to pay Onyeka? Was she involved in any way?
No, sir. She actually only explained that I think on Tuesday before she drive from the north, whether there was any amount, and this only time I told her there was an amount like that.
She did what?
She inquired about if there was any money paid to Onyeka, and that's the only time I told her. I informed her about the 3.8, because she has nothing to do with the company.
Oh, but she's a member. You
Yes,
said.
but she's a member, and I'm the one who's running the company.
Oh, is that this
The CC, so always say company, the CC.
the CC?
Yes.
So in July 2022, who was running this CC?
Me, sir.
Okay. Now 55 again. It's about the same amount. There, I don't want to waste time. Again, was your wife involved in anything in relation to that charge?
No, sir.
Same amount.
No, sir.
And then the last charge
Mr.
against
Mumanje, you are saying 55 again?
56.
Or are you saying 56?
56, your worship. Then there is an alternative to count 56, which is over the page. Go to page 26. Is that something different from what we discussed?
It's a repetition.
Now, and is that the end of your wife's charges?
Yes, sir.
You were in court when on the 9th, what was the first, when did you appear in court for the
10th
first
July,
time?
the first appearance.
Now, the public prosecutor did place it on record that the accused, she did not make exception. She said the accused are facing 480 million worth of charges. These charges you have read, this single amount on the basis of which your wife was arrested without her being given an opportunity, is it 480 million?
No, sir. And if I may add, this is an unfortunate situation when the counsel for the state can also use statement that the newspaper are using to say that we are embezzled 480 million. And there is also a risk now that our family members, they are called by those fake people who say apparently they are sent by us to pay them money for the bail. Well, that's the risk, and that is also
What
the
are you
risk.
talking about? Are you talking about a specific...
I'm talking about a specific incident that happened when...
Speak slowly, please. Yes.
I told you you must breathe. Because, yes.
It's a
So
specific...
pause.
Yes.
Just wait a minute. You can proceed.
Yes.
It's a specific incident when a family member is asked to pay 200,000 for our bail.
Who is
Which-
that family member?
My second wife.
Asked to pay?
To pay to a number, a 200,000 for my bail and my wife bail.
Okay. Why are you mentioning it? In what context are you
In the
mentioning
context of saying the risk of mentioning big figure when the public have to start thinking we are loaded, even if when
Yeah,
they open
yeah,
the
it's
door, the monies might be falling off.
it? Yeah, it's true. So now, you were arrested in I will argue at the end of the case, in the most brutal and reckless circumstances where you left your kids sleeping together with your wife without being given an opportunity to explain. If you were asked, both of you, and you were given this summary that your wife is being arrested for this amount, would you have explained for the benefit of your wife and your kids not to be left at home?
Very, very easy to explain, sir.
Yes, let's go back we ended at Onyeka. Then there is, Your Worship, I continue with Elimo Trading Enterprises CC. What is that?
That is the CC that we have, me and my wife, 50% each.
If you have, because we will be confused now between your two wives. I'd rather say accused number 7.
Accused
Yeah.
number 7.
So that we know, yes. Elimo Trading Enterprises CC.
Yes, sir.
That is owned by you and your accused number 7.
Yes, sir.
When was it established?
2008, if I can remember.
Okay, what does it do if you...
It's a boutique
Uh-huh.
which selling clothes, a salon, and also event management.
Who managed this?
Accused number 7, my wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
But I just want to ask, because of these many businesses, were you even given an opportunity by ACC to make representation for them to consider the effect of this sudden arrest on your businesses? Were you ever given that opportunity?
No, sir.
The next one, Elimo Financial Services.
Elimo Financial Services is also part of the Elimo trading. The financial services is offering the. It's almost for the employees. When we make it that when their employees need assistance, is the company that assisting the employees within the group of Elimo.
Oh, so like what kind of a need? Just to clarify.
Even when the family members passed away or even the employees are struggling, this is the company to assist.
Okay.
In terms of financial. Yes.
And who is responsible for this company, which is rare in Namibia, which takes care of employees? Who runs it?
This one I ran, this one.
Okay.
Yes.
CC, yes.
The CC, yes.
And then there is...
So how does just to clarify, because you are providing assistance to the employees, how does the business sustain itself?
The other company within the group, because Elimo is a group of company, your worship.
Yes.
It's having a property whereby others are renting. That's how it sustain itself.
Okay. But the employees that you are talking about, as I understood, are they employed to Elimo Financial Services CC or by
Within
the
the group? Within the group of Elimo
Oh, within the
companies.
group.
Yes, sir.
So are you then saying this company is simply, its object is to take care of the employees of the group, not necessarily employees of Elimo Financial Services?
No, not necessary for Elimo Financial
Okay.
Services. Yes.
Then Elimo Production CC?
It's also a CC that it's run by. I oversee that one because the speciality is to record songs. It's
To
a
record
studio.
songs.
It's a studio
Yes.
that recording songs and also film. Like there is a film called Kajongo.
Kajongo.
Yes. It's on YouTube when anybody can able to see that.
Or is that your work, product of your work?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
That is the work of that company.
And how, and you see record songs, is it church songs or what?
Songs for the musician,
Yes.
the artist, and also the upcoming people who want to perform in the movie industries.
If
Yeah.
you remain arrested and you play this important role in that industry, what would be the effect to those who benefit from your...
It will be affected severely.
It will be affected. Which one will be affected?
The production, Elimo production.
Okay, and you own, I see it's 35, who owns the rest of it?
I gave, can I say, yeah, I gave because they didn't purchase for it, the membership.
Yeah.
They employed 2 employees, which is Mr. Raimo Kamati and Mr. Akweterera, known as Somzo, or Kukunkandanga.
Oh, Kukungandanga?
Yes.
Okay, it's a nice song. Is that,
Only the 2. What is special about those 2?
Because they worship, they have an expert to contribute also to the company because Mr. Raimo, he's also an actor. Both they are also acting in the movie Kajongo.
Oh. And you said you gave them the rest of the interest. They didn't pay. What do you mean?
Yeah, I gave them as a contribution to the work, for the contribution to the CC.
Their contribution
Yes.
to the CC?
Yes.
Oh. So you blessed them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. D.
Can we just stick to? Yes, let's move on.
Okay. Then DMPL Mining Pty Limited. That's a company now.
It's a
Before
company.
you proceed,
Yes.
this
Oh,
yes.
Your worship, you have eagle eye. Elindi Property Income CC. What is that?
As my brother explained, my brother Peter Elindi explained, is a company that we established just to acquire properties.
Around when did you establish it with your brother, accused number 5?
I think it's around when we sell our interest in Enercon.
Okay. And
Just slow down.
you own 50%.
Yes, it's a 50-50. No,
Okay.
no, so it's before that. I think around 2021 to 2022, if I can remember.
Okay, but do you know how many properties are in the company, in this CC?
Yeah, we did not yet put the property in.
Oh, it's no properties registered.
Not yet, sir.
Oh, okay. DMPL Mining Pty, remember?
It's a company that holds exploration license for copper in Opuo, in Epupa.
When did you get this? You said you applied for it. When did the company obtain the EPL?
Around 2022 to 2023.
How did you obtain it?
You applied to the Ministry of Mines and Energy.
You are saying you.
I
didn't
applied to the Ministry of Mines and Energy,
Yes.
and they approved the EPL, but through the geologists that need to do the feasibility study or checking the area that is.
Okay, just for context, when you say through some people, are those government people, or you employ or engage those people? Or who are they?
You engage an expert in the area of geology.
Uh-huh. And the expert assists you to do
The
that?
expert assisting you to identify a place
Yes.
due to the historical data,
Yeah.
and then they can able to advise you that here is the better area to apply
To apply for?
for the exploration license.
Okay. And did you do that?
Yes.
And after that?
Then you submit your application to the Ministry of Mines and Energy,
Yes.
and through the process they can send you a letter of the intention to grant.
Okay. Is it prohibited for, if I want, Mr. Namaje wants, whoever wants, any member of the public to apply on your own, and provided you can pay those experts?
It's not prohibited, but you need to have an expertise. It's not prohibited. It's only the expertise that might be preventing you to
Okay.
apply.
But do you have to pay for the?
You have to pay for the consultants.
Okay. And the value there of those companies and CC?
Maybe before you move, I see there you are saying 30% shareholding. Now, who are the other members?
The other member are 30% Peter Elindi, my brother,
Yes.
and an employee of Frederica. She's the other 40%.
Who is Frederica?
Frederica is just an employee of me.
Oh, the name. I thought an employee of Frederica.
No.
So it's the name.
Yeah.
An employee of this company.
Yes.
Oh, so you gave interest to, was she an original shareholder in the company?
From onset,
Yes.
she's a shareholder from the
Okay.
beginning.
Okay. Now, we move on then with speed.
You then indicated the value. Sorry, Mr. I think just there. What is the value now?
Yes. And the value is 23,839,700.
Okay. What is the total number of employees that are involved in your companies and CCs?
I have about 26 employees, sir.
Okay. And I want to move with speed. I have committed myself to. Then let's come to the crux.
Maybe before you move, how much do you earn, for example, yourself from your businesses?
Your Worship, I don't understand the question. Are you asking about wealth or cash?
No, you're earning maybe per month. Do you get a salary per month?
Yes, Your Worship, if you can put together the members' interest, it can be around 200,000.
Is that per month? Around? Are you talking about what the court asked you? 200,000 per month.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Yes, we can proceed.
I just want to ask now, if one of your companies receive a payment from whatever transaction and you are a member or a director, does government has any, do you have to ask permission as to how you, provided you are not committing a crime, how you spend your money?
No, sir.
Okay, now let's go to the crux of this matter. You said you were not informed at the time of arrest, and can you go to the file that have charges, Your Worship, and move directly to the page that has your charges?
What is that page in?
It's from,
Page 19.
you are faster than I am. First of all, did you count how many charges you are facing? Take your time.
Okay. Sir, I don't know whether I must start with the old one or the new one, this one.
No, this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Because the old one were 9 and now they are 10.
Okay.
This one is range from count 43 to 53.
What is the number there?
10.
43, yeah. 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they have charged you with specific charges directed at you.
Yes, at Malakia Elindi, yes.
Okay. Now, I have already gone through the sections of the ACC Act. I will not waste time in the interest of time. The first charge at page 19, count 43. What is that?
Fraud.
Okay. And it says the offense was committed when?
They say, whereas the accused did on the 15th day of July 2022.
Okay. And it does it deal with NAMCOR issue, that 53 million or not?
Yes, it dealt with the 53 million, sir.
Okay. And the essence of the charges, does it refer to those 9 service stations?
Yes, sir.
Can you just ask him what is the essence so that he can tell us?
Okay.
Without saying, does it refer to those service stations?
Okay.
What is the
Okay.
essence?
What is the complaint of the state then?
The complaint is that I saw the rights to NAMCOR for 53 million.
Okay. I want to, but did you, Malakia Elindi, sell in your private capacity, individual capacity?
No, sir.
Who sold the
Enercon.
right? The
Enercon.
Is Enercon a corporate entity or not?
It's a corporate entity, sir.
Okay. Is it correct to say you sold?
It's not correct, sir.
Okay. Now, and but did you commit any fraud?
No, sir.
This transaction, statements were made today that your brother is a dream seller. Enercon, you said Enercon sold. Who offered who?
NAMCOR offered Enercon for the asset.
Who determined the amount the asset will go for?
NAMCOR.
Were you involved in the determination of the amount from their side?
No, sir.
Did you speak to anybody, abet, instigate, and so forth?
No, sir.
Did you involve yourself in any crime such as conspiracy to work with anybody at NAMCOR?
No, sir.
Did those accused persons, including Mr. Mulunga, who was MD, ever accuse you of fraud?
No, sir.
Yes, let's move on, Your Worship. Page 20, the alternative, Your Worship, I do not want to waste time, is almost the same as fraud.
That is page 20.
Yes, Your Worship. Now, I want to, you are charged, I have already dealt with the legal poor nature of the charge when I dealt with your brother. I don't want to do it. This charge, what is the complaint there? What is being alleged at count 44, Your Worship? What are you accused of having done?
Count 44
Yes,
really stand out because I'm accused of offering
yes.
Cornelius Willemse and Jennifer Hamukwaya 2.5 million so that apparently they can abuse their office for the deal.
Where is it saying so that they can abuse? Where is it saying? Read it out.
Can I read the whole thing?
No. I want where you are saying so that they can abuse. Where does read it out?
Okay, maybe I
Start
start from
from
Cornelius Willemse and Jennifer Hamukwaya as an inducement for having and abuse their office and or position.
Okay, just hold on there. But does that say for them to abuse, or does that say for having abused?
For having abused.
Yes, why did you not say that? But did you do that?
No, sir. And
Did you ever, just listen, did you ever, first of all, do you know whether Willemse and Hamukwaya abused their office? Do you know whether?
No, sir.
Did you induce them to abuse the office in whatever manner?
No, sir.
Did ACC, by the way, did they share these allegations with you?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you, as a fact, did you offer? The state is actually not saying you gave. They are saying you offered. Did you ever offer that amount of 2.5 million?
No, sir.
Let me just cover. They are not saying you gave,
Yeah.
but let me just be broad. Did you ever give them 2.5 million?
No, sir.
Do you know why they're accusing you of something you didn't do?
I have no idea, sir.
Did they ever refer you to an account or cash or a bag that on a particular day that you handed them to the two?
No, sir. And I'm inviting them to check in all my account to see whether there was any amount going to the two people mentioned in this.
Do you understand whether, when they say you offered this amount, whether it's a joint amount for them or will be broken in parts? This part goes to this one, that part goes, do you know?
I have no idea, sir.
Then let's move to...
Mr. Lamanje, maybe before you move, do you know accused 2
I know.
or accused 3?
I know them, sir. Your
know
worship.
yeah, you must say your worship.
I know them, the worship.
How do you know them?
At the time of the Enercon signing agreement with NAMCOR for supply agreement, fuel supply agreement, that's when I happen to know them.
Okay, because this is a criminal court, I, as your counsel, I'm more interested in criminal activity. Your knowledge of them, awareness, and knowing them, did you ever use that knowledge to reach out to them to commit any offense?
No,
criminal
sir.
offense?
No, sir.
Did you have any other relationship different from the one you are telling us, a business relationship?
It's only a business relationship.
Okay. May I proceed, Your Honor?
You can proceed.
Count 45. It's 35. I have dealt with that. I don't even understand what this means. Do you understand what the complaint is? Take your time. What you alleged to have done there? I don't understand.
I think it's a repetition. They are still repeating of selling a 9 service station.
But is that you have already, did you already answer that question?
Malakia Elindi never sells service station to NAMCOR.
But you said now Enercon did sell the right in those assets, but was there any crime that you know?
There was no crime, and it's a business transaction.
Earlier you said the ACC agents only refer you to sections including section 35. Remember you said that?
Yes, sir.
These allegations here, when did you for the first time see them? Not the section, the allegation, this small, lean summary.
Only on the 10th of July when I was charged.
When you were charged?
Yeah, 10th of July, Thursday, the 10th of July.
What happened on the 10th of July?
I thought you asked me when did I saw this?
Where did you, where did you see them?
In this document.
Where did you get it from?
From the lawyer.
Where?
Here in
court?
In court.
Oh, okay. Is that what you mean by saying when I was charged?
When I was charged, yeah, for the first time to see this.
Are you referring at the police station or in court?
In court.
Okay.
Sir.
So you saw them on the 10th of July, you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For count 46, do you understand what is the complaint there?
Count 46 is still repeating the amount of 53,212,000 that
so is that
that Enercon received an amount of 53,212,000, which they say obtained as a gratification or proceed of fraud or money laundering.
Okay, let's pack it there. Received as gratification, obtained as obtained. Who obtained 53 million?
They said here, Enercon.
No. I'm not asking in the charge. As a fact, who obtained 53 million?
Enercon, sir.
Was it you?
No, sir.
Okay. In terms of what? Why did Enercon receive 53 million?
In terms of the agreement they have with asset purchase agreement with NAMCOR.
What triggered the agreement? What caused the agreement to come into force?
It's the agreement between two entities for the necessitating of doing business.
Who approached the others to offer the amount, 53?
NAMCOR.
Okay. Now, the charge says obtained as gratification or a proceed of fraud. Was that amount a proceed of fraud?
No, sir.
What was it for?
It was a business transaction between two entities.
Yes, but when it came in, what is it? What, is it a gift? What is it when it came in Enercon? Why was Enercon paid?
They were paid because Enercon has a right and for the asset that they built within the Ministry of Defense.
Yes, and why did NAMCOR has to pay Enercon?
So that they can have a right of use for the assets.
Was it a sale transaction?
Sale of rights, yes.
Okay, so was this a purchase price?
Yes.
Okay. Is that fraud? Is that a proceed of fraud?
No, sir.
Is it a proceed of money? Were you ever accused of money laundering in relation to where the money came from?
No, sir.
Prior to the money coming to Enercon?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go to page 2147. What is a complaint? What is the state alleging there? Take your time.
The complaint here is apparently false pretense.
No, are you at 4721? Count 47.
Yes, count 47.
Yes, but where are you reading?
In that upon or about the period of October 21 until December 2022,
Yes.
the accused wrongfully and unlawfully conspire with the employees of NAMCOR, Jennifer Hamukwaya, Cornelius Willemse, Olivia Dunaiski, and the representative of EcoFuel Investment CC and Quality Meat Supply CC by inducing the said NAMCOR staff member here to listed to commit the offense or to wit person to wit NAMCOR staff member here it listed to commit the offense to wit fraud, theft, false pretense, and money laundering.
Now, let me try if I can grapple with this. They say you conspired with three. How many employees are those?
There are 3 employees of NAMCOR and apparently EcoFuel Investment and Quality Meat Supplies, CC.
No. It says representatives.
Oh, okay.
Is that? Look at the charges, please. I don't want the record to. Does it say representatives?
Yes.
Does the charge sheet inform you who the representatives you conspired with?
No, sir.
EcoFuel.
No, sir.
But did you ever conspire with 3 employees of NAMCOR? This time, strangely, Mr. Mulunga is not in, the others are not in. Representatives is the number of the representatives given of EcoFuel and Quality Meat Supplies.
No, sir.
But did you ever conspire with them to commit any offense?
No, sir.
Quality Meat Supplies.
I don't even know what is Quality Meat Supply and who's the member or the owner.
Is it a possibility? I'm not even talking about law. Is it a practical possibility for you to conspire with somebody who you do not know?
It's impossible.
Did the state ever, even in this court, when your brother was being asked, did the state ever disclose who that representative, not representative, your worship, representatives who you conspired with?
They never said who are they.
Yes, 48? Yeah, that's fine. Count 48 in the interest of time. Let me just go back to count 47. I see that, what is the eco? We have been dealing with 2 ecos here. Which eco is listed in this charge?
EcoFuel.
Give the full name, sir.
Okay. It said EcoFuel Investment CC.
Okay. Now, area we were given bank statement of another eco. What eco was that?
Eco Trading.
Is that the same thing as eco?
No, sir.
Do you know what exactly you did with EcoFuel Investment as opposed to Eco Trading?
I have no idea, simply just because if I can add, according to what we heard already in a court, Eco Trading has an agreement with Enercon to supply fuel.
Okay. Anyway, let's go to count 48. With speed, I mean, what is the complaint here? Briefly, what is it about?
Briefly, is talking about that the accused, I received, okay, let's start from there. In the district of Windhoek, the accused received an amount of 53,212,000 for the sale of 9 service stations from NAMCOR.
Okay. In the amount of what?
Which an amount of 53,212,000, the accused knew or ought reasonable to have known that it formed part of the proceeds of unlawful activity, because when the accused received the aforesaid amount, he knew that he was not in position to sell the said 9 service stations.
Okay, I see something very strange. When are they accusing you of receiving 53 million in count 48? Which period are they referring to?
Between October 2021 and December 2022.
In October 2021, did you personally or Enercon, did any of you, either you or Enercon, ever receive 53 million?
No, sir.
In December 2022?
No, sir.
Now, that is a 212,000. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back to page 19. Page 19, they are accusing you of another amount, but exact amount, but on another day, different date.
Yes, sir.
What is the date there?
15th of July 2022.
Now, this exact amount, 53 million in respect of count 43, and 53 million in respect of 48, count 48, committed on two different, have you ever heard about that?
Never heard
Which
of
is
that,
more
sir.
than 100 million, but in separate dates. One in 2021, even.
It will be exactly 106,400,000.
So let me, this striking similar amount apparently received on different date. Did ACC ever suggest, or even the media that are writing a lot of stuff, did you ever hear about you receiving two exact amount in 2021 and in 2022?
No, sir.
When you were sitting here, did you hear my colleague for the state suggesting to your brother that, accused number 5, that there are actually two offenses in respect of 53 million? Did you?
I never heard of that.
Then alternative to count 48 is the same thing. Oh, a date has been changed. Let's go there. What is the exact date given at alternative to count 48?
20th of July.
20 July.
Yes.
Now, does it remain October 2021 and to December 2022 as they stated in count 48?
No, sir.
Okay, is it, and in count 43, what specific date are they saying?
15th July.
All these different days you receive 53 million, 53 million. Did you ever receive such amounts on those different days?
No, sir.
Do you know where the state is getting this information from?
I have no idea, sir.
With respect, at page 22, 49, what is a complaint there? In summary, I don't want you to hold us for long.
In summary, they talk about whereabout the accused did or about October 2022 to December 2022 at a near Windhoek, in the district of Windhoek, the accused did wrongfully, unlawfully, forcefully, and with the intent to defraud, give out, and pretend to NAMCOR.
Speak
That
up.
he entered into a fuel supply agreement to purchase fuel from NAMCOR and agreed to receive funds from the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs in Enercon Namibia Pty Ltd account, check number 802-35-31-520, an account from which Jennifer Hamukwaya was given a signatory power in terms of the said agreement in order to transfer the funds received from the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, while in fact the said funds were being received in a different account.
Let's stop there. What is the complaint there in summary?
In summary, they said apparently I pretend to NAMCOR that the funds will be paid in that account mentioned there with ending with a 520, and the funds were received on a different account.
But did they give you the details, date, the amount involved, invoices involved?
No, sir.
Do you know what they are talking about?
I have no idea, sir.
Was it in any way Did Enercon receive money from defense in the account ending with 520, as far as you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay? And then the last complaint, I don't want, I dealt already, is the same as the accused number 5. I don't want to waste time. But this 70 million, apparently because of that, between March 2022 to December 2022, in this court, where you supplied with documents of invoices of Enercon to Ministry of Defense, which did not have the account 520. Did the state give you those invoices
No, sir.
to
But-
prepare for bail application?
No, sir. But when you look at it, sorry if I may say something.
Yes?
When you look at the beginning of the count number 49,
Yes.
they said the accused did about October 2022 and December 2022 at nearby Windhoek. So that is the date
October to December.
to December.
Ye-
Now
yes.
it says here,
At the bottom, are you referring at the bottom?
yeah, now
Your-
it's talking about March.
what is the significance? Yes, sorry, I didn't. What is the significance of that difference?
The count starting that between October 2022 to December 2022.
Yes, and end with which period?
Yeah, so it's only between October and December,
Yes,
that
and
period. But now at the bottom is talking about it's between March 2022 to December 2022.
do you know why the state is giving you this contradictory period? At the beginning of the charge, they say you committed an offense in October and December 2022. When they end, they said, actually, you committed it in March to December. Do you know why they are contradicting themselves?
I have no idea, sir.
And count number, alternative to count 49 is your worship. I don't want to waste time. The witness has already dealt with. Let's go to page 23. Sure. And this is, just read 50. I need you to, I don't want to lead you. Read and tell the court what is the state trying to say?
Is it count 50?
Yes, yes, yes. Take your time.
It says, in that of 19 July 2022, at or near Windhoek, in the district of Windhoek, the accused knew or ought reasonable to have known that the money, to wit 213,000, which he received into the bank account of Nyambali Medical Centre, CC, stroke 2009 stroke 4792, check account 80-183-41210, as a shareholder held at Bank Windhoek from Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding, CC, form part of the proceeding unlawful activities.
Okay, fine. What is Nyambali Medical Centre?
As I said earlier, sir, it's a clinic.
Okay. Do you know about that amount of 213?
Yes, sir.
What was it for?
It's an amount that was paid because during COVID 2021, Onyeka...
First paid by who?
Yeah, Onyeka paid the amount, not Malakia Elindi. Onyeka paid the amount to Nyambali Medical Centre.
For?
During the COVID, Onyeka donated, given the mask, the one that protecting clothing to the clinic.
And but you say donate.
Yeah, the clinic gave the equipment of the COVID to Onyeka.
Okay.
Yes.
And
As a result, the payment has to be paid because the sister company has always assisting each other.
I don't understand. Who received what? It says the accused knew or reasonable to have known that the money to 213 which he received into the bank account of Nyambali. Was the money received by Nyambali from Onyeka, or was it received by Onyeka from Nyambali?
It's from Onyeka to Nyambali.
Onyeka to Nyambali.
Yes,
For what?
sir. For those equipment of the COVID equipment.
So it's a payment for the equipment.
Yes.
Now, do you know who complained? Did Nyambali, you said you are a member of Nyambali. Did you lay charges against yourself?
No, sir.
You are a member of Onyeka. Did you ever complain or lay a charge of fraud or theft?
No, sir.
This money that Onyeka paid, is it money that is the proceed of any crime?
No, sir.
Fine, I can forgive you. Does the state identify the unlawful activity from which the 213 came from?
No,
So
sir.
look at the charges. Does the state tells you it's from fraud, it's from robbery, it's from a bribe? Does the state identify the unlawful, the crime?
No, sir. And if I have to add, the state have the mechanism to check everything. They can go and check at Nyambali Medical Centre whether that money was paid to me even as an individual.
But do you know why the state is even saying it was paid to you?
No, sir.
Now, the alternative, Your Worship, 50 count, alternative to count 50 is almost the same stuff. I will skip it. No, but I need to speak about this. This alternative, what section is alleged to be contravened? Alternative to count 50.
They say section 6B, first Roman and second Roman. Read it.
Yes. Oh, it's enough. What is the Act of Parliament mentioned there?
They stated the Act number 29 of 2004
What is the name of the Act?
is a POCA, Prevention of Organized Crime Act.
Okay, and they said you contravene section 6B, Roman 1 and Roman 2.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to page 40? 39. No. It's page 77. 77. On the top, identify the act, the page we are, page 14 of what? What is the Act of Parliament at the top there? Page 77.
Republic of Namibia, 14 Another State.
That is the name of the
Prevention of
country.
Organized Crime Act 29 of 2004.
Okay, Prevention of Organized Crime Act 29 of 2004.
Yes, sir.
And that is the act that you read for us in alternative to count 50. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you said you are charged with that alternative apparently because you contravened section 6B, Roman 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Does there exist in this law such an offense? Is there 6 Roman 1 and 2? B, Roman 1 and 2?
I cannot see it in this.
Yes, is it there?
No, sir.
Do you know why the state is charging you with an offense that does not exist in that act?
I have no idea, sir.
Come back to complete this charge. At page 23 now. At page 23 to go to count 51. Now, it's a poker offense, obviously, apparently it's section 4B, Roman 1 and 2. But do you know 51? Do you know what they are complaining about? Take your time and you can page over the page at page 24. What are they complaining about?
They complained that between 19 July 2022 and 25 July 2022, at or near Windhoek in the district of Windhoek, the accused knew or ought reasonable to have known that the money, to wit 3,813,000 which he received into a bank account of Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding, CC, which he was a shareholder, held at Bank Windhoek from Enercon Namibia Pty Ltd, form part of the proceeding unlawful activities.
Now, these 3.8 million we dealt with already, and you already explained to court what it was for.
Yes, sir.
Now, does the state again in this charge, purported charge, does it identify the crime from which they allege, apart from unlawful activity, from which the money came from?
No, sir.
Now, since that is, go back to page 23.
Just before maybe we go to 23,
Yes.
they said I was a shareholder for Onyeka. I cannot be a shareholder for Onyeka. I can only be a member.
Yeah. Why are you saying that?
Onyeka is a CC. It's not a PTY.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, maybe they will amend. Look, now, if you go to page 23, you see that the contravention that they said you contravened is 4B, Roman 1 and 2 of poker. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Did you see any name of the person identified in this charge? A person, I know why I'm asking, I want to take you somewhere. Do they identify any person you assisted to evade prosecution?
No, sir.
Do they make such allegation in this charge?
No, sir.
Do they allege that you entered into either an arrangement, an agreement, or you performed an act which has an effect to assist a person to evade prosecution? Do
No,
they
sir.
make such allegations in this?
No, sir.
Let's go to page 76. The statutory offense the state attempt to charge you with.
I'm there, sir.
If you can just read section 4, and then read section 4, I will stop you when you need to stop.
Section 4, I don't think it's on page
76. Read section 4.
Any person who knows or all reasonable to have known that property is or formed part of proceeding of unlawful activity
And
enter
okay, no, don't read A, they are saying B.
Oh,
Read
sorry.
B.
perform any other act in connection with the property, whether it is performed independently or in concert with any other person.
No, it's continue. And
And that agreement, arrangement, transaction, or act has or is likely to have the effect
yes, Roman 1.
of concealing or distinguish the nature.
No, not read the word correctly, sir. There's no word distinguishing.
Sorry,
Disguising.
disguise.
So that we can
The
move.
word is disguise. Sorry.
Yes.
Disguise the nature, origin, sources, location, disposition, or movement of property, or its ownership, or any interest which anyone may have in respect of that property.
Or they
Or-
say also Roman 2.
Enabling or assisting any person who has committed or commit an offense, whether in Namibia or elsewhere,
Yes.
to avoid prosecution or to remove or diminish or any property acquiring directly or indirectly as a result of the commission
Yes.
of an offense.
Now, those elements of that offense you read about assisting a person to evade prosecution, are those allegations made in count 51?
No, sir.
Do you know why they will charge you with a specific statutory offense, but they make allegations on something else different?
I have no idea, sir.
There, let's finish then at page 24. That is paragraph, count 52, I think, Your Worship.
Yeah.
Alternative to 51 is the one which the section, the offense does not exist in our law. I don't want to waste time. Count for 52.
On this one, they say on 19 July 2022, at near Windhoek, in the district of Windhoek, the accused knew or ought reasonable to have known that the money of which 1.5 million, which he received into his bank account of 80051980059 held at Bank Windhoek from Onyeka Clearing and Forwarding CC form part of the proceeding of unlawful activities.
Okay, first of all, whose is that your account? 80051980059.
I don't know whose account is this.
But no, but is it yours?
No, it's not my account.
As the state allege.
No, it's not my account.
Do you know why they have to charge you with an amount alleged to have been paid in an account which you do not own?
I have no idea, sir.
Did these people, if the ACC came to you and say, look, we have a number of charges and want to arrest you, you received an amount of 80051980059, and we want to charge you, and that is the basis of your arrest, would you not have told them like you are telling the magistrate now?
Yeah, I could have told them my correct accounts. If
Did the ACC, I almost forgot, did the ACC forget about the date of arrest? Did they employ the usual policy to give people an opportunity to respond to those who accuse them?
No, sir, and if I may say something, I thought when this country get independence, at least processes like of law have to be fair, whereby you are given an opportunity to explain or able to clarify whenever there is any suspicious an offense like this. But in this case, I was not given an opportunity to either just rectify and giving them the correct information, like in this case.
Okay. Look, I will not waste time because it's not your account. Then there's something saying alternative. The next one is alternative to count 53. Is there count 3?
There is no count 53. I don't know where the alternative comes from.
What happened to the main count then? What happened? It's not there. What happened
I
to
have
it?
no idea, sir.
What's going on here? Do you know what's going on?
I have no idea, sir.
Have you ever heard of somebody being charged with an alternative when there is no main count?
I'm not really have much knowledge in law, but I never heard of that.
But anyway, let's give the section referred to. What section is referred to in these strange charges? What section is referred to?
It's still the section of prevention of organized crime, section 6B, Roman 1 and 2.
You have already indicated that it does not exist in poker. It's not there.
It's not there, sir.
With greatest respect, I'm done with the. Yes. My junior just reminded me to deal with you. Now, I'm done with you with cross-examination. I just want you to confirm.
Cross-examination.
With evidence in chief. My sugar level is going down. Look, you are a director of Enercon.
Yes, sir.
And you also signed with accused number 5, the asset purchase agreement.
Yes, sir.
And that is an agreement in terms of which NAMCOR, we were told, bought right, title, and what? Interest.
And interest.
In those assets.
Yes, sir.
And what can you say? What are those assets? Just wanna. I don't want you to repeat.
Tanks, pumps,
yes,
petrol attendant house, canopies, and the connections.
Okay. And I see that there were valuations that your accused number 5 referred to. Already you were in court. Were you following the proceedings?
Yes, sir.
One by NAMCOR internal engineering department and another by an outside company. You saw that?
Yes, sir.
Now, where you...
Maybe before you proceed, just hold it there.
Yeah.
You are referring to canopies. What are these canopies?
Canopies, I don't know whether to put it in a better word, is you erected a steel structure that you can make a shade when the person is filling up the car, cannot be exposed by the rain or the sun directly.
Okay.
I also thought it's a car canopy.
We can proceed.
It's maybe it's a military base roof, maybe. Anyway, I just want to have you anything to do with the evaluation? Did
No,
you
sir.
have any input?
No, sir.
You heard me reading from particulars of claim in the High Court in commercial court, in a commercial dispute, where the case says that employees of NAMCOR created a sham valuation. Did you listen to that?
Yes, sir.
Now, I don't want to waste time to take you to the particulars already. Let's assume the valuation was a sham. Did you have anything to do with the sham valuation?
Nothing to do with me, sir.
Do you know who and why? In fact, do you know whether it is a sham valuation?
I would not have an idea that it's a sham valuation.
Now, there is also an asset register that we refer to that was done by what is
Ducatus,
yeah, who is Dunak
internal auditor, internal accountant
of
of Enercon, sir.
what did they do in relation to,
Asset register.
okay, and who prepared it? What did they do in relation thereto?
They prepared the asset register to show the asset that belonged to Enercon.
And and what did they do with it?
In order to forward it as a requirement in the purchase agreement between NAMCOR and Enercon to submit it also.
Oh, okay.
Let
Remember,
us pause. You can proceed.
so you are now saying, remember the court asked your brother today in relation to why was a register given. Do you remember that?
Yes,
You
sir.
are now saying, in fact, you said there was, in order to do what? You referred to an agreement.
It was also a requirement in the agreement that Enercon should show the ownership of the assets.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And hence your accountants then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there's a number of things that your brother. Okay. Was the pumps and the canopy, his worship, the court asked you about pumps, tanks. Is the law prescribing the mode, the nature, and manner of proving ownership?
No, sir.
Is there any law?
No, sir. Apart from proving that whenever the person who put up those items should be having the, of course, they are, you have to buy the asset.
Okay. So do you know? You do not. Do you know of any legal requirement, like in land? Land, you must have a title deed. Do you know of any legal requirement for a canopy to have a special title as proof or a certificate as proof of ownership?
These are movable assets, sir. You cannot be having a title deed.
Okay, no, I thought the state is saying. Remember were you present in court when a title deed or deed of title was suggested to your brother?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what the state council is talking about?
I have no idea, sir.
No, you testified about the houses for the petrol attendant. Did you say something like that? The house, together with the tanks.
Yeah, okay. Your worship, maybe just to clarify, the petrol attendant houses that we build is a prefabricated house. They are not permanent erected, so which means you can able to move them.
I forgot to clarify that with accused number 5. So
Yes.
what is prefabricated?
Prefabricated is a material that is not bricks structure. It's a material that you can put together whereby the house will be on above the ground. It's not a.
Okay, who acquired and set up that such properties?
Enercon,
With whose money?
with Enercon's funds.
Who has the right, title, and interest in those assets for the period of 15 years up to 2031.
Enercon Namibia.
In your agreements from 2013 to 2016, is there any clause that prohibit you from transferring your right, title, and interest in the asset for any period remaining?
No, sir.
But in any way, did the agreement has a breach clause, the Ministry of Defense agreement?
Yes, sir.
A dispute resolution clauses?
Yes, sir.
Did the Ministry of Defense ever take you on in terms of that agreement on the basis that you sold its asset,
No, sir.
or the so-called incumbent asset?
No, sir.
Does the agreement between Enercon and the Ministry of Defense has a clause that you can't transfer or cede your right without informing warrant whoever, major whoever, captain whoever, ED or minister or whatever? Does the agreement have such a thing?
No, sir.
Do you know where the state is taking such? Who are the parties to the agreement, that Ministry of Defense agreement? Who are the parties? And
Enercon and the Ministry of Defense.
Just slow down a bit. You can proceed.
does an outsider, when I say, I'm not saying an outsider of government, I'm saying, does a third party, say ACC, Bank of Namibia, Ministry of Finance, has a right to impose a term agreed upon by the two parties in that agreement orally, which is not part of that written agreement?
No, sir, unless they are party to the other agreement. They are not party to this agreement.
Okay. But even if somebody is more clever and more careful than the Ministry of Defense was, does anybody, whether in private sector or government, has the right to come and impose to Enercon a term which is not in that agreement?
No, sir.
Your brother has already explained everything. Is there anything else on the document that you felt it's important to yes, let me take you to the variation clause at page 64, Your Worship. 164.
164?
Yeah. 164.
Of the bundle.
Yes. Not the statutes.
So I don't have it.
Can I know I'm going there. I want to conclude. Go to page 164.
I'm there, sir.
Article, are you a signatory to, let me just find out so that I know what I'm talking about. You go to page 170. Is there any signature of yours there?
Yes, sir.
At
Yes,
page 170?
Yes, as a witness.
Oh, you signed as a witness.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then your brother on the other page and another person for Enercon. It's fine. So were you aware of these terms of the agreement, and are you still aware of the terms of the agreement?
With my little knowledge of law, yes, sir.
No, but factually.
Factually, yes, sir.
Yes. Then let's go to page 164. Do you know what is with your little, you say, knowledge of the law? Do you know what a variation clause?
Yes, sir. Variation is when it's almost diverting. A diversion of a variation
So
differentiate.
what does it regulate? What is being varied?
In the event the party want to do something else that is not agreed,
Yes, and what does the variation? What is it? Does it talk about?
it's in connection with the article or the normal
Yes,
knowledge.
generally or in respect of the article. You can also take your time and read 12.1 if you want.
The page 164, there is only limitation of liability and force
No,
majeure.
no, no. Then you're 164. Carol, did you give-
Variation is on 163, sir.
No.
164.
Whose document?
In
are
the
you
band that I have, variation is on 163.
doing? That's definitely not our document.
You see?
But do you have it in the?
But it's here whether the page is
Just a
163.
minute.
No, no, no.
Just-
No, no.
Where did that document come from?
I received
No, take it away. Yes. Are you at page 164?
Yes, sir.
Go to page 12.1.
Each party,
Close.
yes, each party acknowledged that this agreement constitutes the entire, complete, and exclusive agreement between the parties concerned and concerning the subject matter containing herein. No modification, amendment, consent, or discharge in connection with an agreement or its provision shall be binding upon either party unless made in writing and signed by the party sought to be charged with the same.
Okay. Now, if you are selling your right, title, and interest in the asset you have built with your own money to a third party, is that an amendment to this agreement?
No, sir.
Does this agreement prohibit a cession?
No, sir.
And now, I want you to take you to page, I need a page number, 228.
228?
Yes, 228 of, it must be a separate document. 228. Your worship is those additional document. Yours is already picked up. Now,
You are saying 228.
yes, 228. That document we did not deal with accused number 5, your worship. Just for completeness. What is that? Just identify the agreement. What is that, page 228?
It's an agreement, or a session agreement
Between?
between NAMCOR Petroleum Trading and Distribution Pty Ltd.
Rather, amongst, not between.
Amongst, okay, sorry.
Yes.
Amongst
Yes.
EcoFuel Investment CC and Enercon Namibia Pty Ltd.
And NAMCOR.
Yes, starting with NAMCOR Petroleum Trading and Distribution Pty,
Yes.
EcoFuel Investment CC and Enercon Namibia Pty.
Okay. If any, is there anything that of interest or of relevance that you may want to say about this agreement?
On this document, I think if one can go through, it was a session as an agreement between three parties that EcoFuel Investment has an outstanding amount with NAMCOR,
Yes.
and it was required, might be that EcoFuel could not able to pay
Yes.
the full amount.
Yeah.
And if I can recall, is the amount of 70 million that I think the state was saying we are receiving fuel for free.
Yeah.
So it's a session that came from EcoFuel that Enercon signed as a session.
Okay. But
Just slow down. No, which one was not able to pay?
EcoFuel,
EcoFuel.
yes.
so it's the original debt.
Original
Whose
debt.
original debt was it?
EcoFuel.
Oh, is this what you? So, this is unfortunately not a commercial trial. What is a session? What is, from which, is there a verb?
Is there? Sorry.
Can you do, what is a session rather first? Do you know what is a session?
Not really to properly put it because I don't want to put it wrong.
Okay, but
I do understand what a session-
practically,
practically.
what happened there?
Yeah, just to say that Enercon take a session, or take an undertaking to take over the debt as the party agreed.
Okay.
Yes.
It's like taking over
Taking over, yes.
or transfer
Yes.
debt.
Yes.
Is that?
Because now he's putting answers to the witness. Let the witness answer, because why is he suggesting? Because he has already said he doesn't want to misconstrue it or to misinterpret it. But why are the answers then given to him?
No. Your worship, remember I waited when I gave him an opportunity. He said is taking debt over. Then I just repeated for the. In fact, the only word I added, he said to taking. He didn't use the word over. And then I said it's the same, your worship. But to a lawyer, even the court, everybody would not. I just wanted him to explain in a layman's language. That's why he used take over. Take over there's no prejudice to the state. Anyway, session is
he
in.
said take over.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I will allow it. Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
But is that what you wanted to say? Okay. I'm done. So your brother has already gone through documents pertaining to affairs and matters pertaining to Enercon. Do you confirm the correctness thereof?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Except that, can I say something?
Yes.
Yeah, just maybe before you finalize, I really want to know, I'm not really a good mathematician, but I need to understand this. It's always said that I receive, as Malakia Elindi, whether it's an Enercon or me, an amount of 53,212,000. We establish here in this court that the 35 million was paid back to NAMCOR. I do not understand, unless the law of mathematics ceases to exist, that if you pay me 53 million and I send you back 35, is the amount still you come back and claim 35 million?
No, don't ask me questions.
I know,
but
you. I'm alerting the your
court.
worship. I just want to know whether the amount has to be claimed is a full amount. When 53 million was paid, 35 million was paid, as per the agreement back to NAMCOR. Because, and also to add, you cannot have identical twins and you decide the one is legitimate and the other one is not. Because
What do you mean?
my saying like that, your worship, is it appeared that the money, 18 million that came to Enercon, is illegitimate, but the 35 that we pay back to NAMCOR is legitimate.
Oh, is this what you are saying?
Yes, in that context.
Okay, and let me just, but that part we have already stated that it's already on record that 18 million was then paid in account 848 of Enercon.
Yes, sir.
18 million.
Yes,
That money, as it comes in as part of the purchase price,
yes, sir.
does anybody has the right to dictate how you spend that money? Of course, provided you are not committing a crime.
No, sir.
Anything else you want to say?
No, sir, I think.
Okay, and let me then conclude by asking you about the bail opposition ground. You spoke about how you were arrested.
Mr. Namanja, how much time do you have?
I will take 6 minutes. Your Worship. I just want to finish this witness.
Okay.
6 minutes. Did you cooperate with the ACC when they were arresting you?
Yes, sir.
Did you attempt to run away?
No, sir.
Do you have an intention to run away?
No, sir.
Did anybody inform you that there is evidence that if you are arrested and given bail later, you will run away?
No, sir.
Do you have any intention to interfere with investigation or to prejudice investigation?
No, sir. In fact, I think on the date that we appear in court first, if I can recall, Counsel Hinda said they are almost having all the evidence, and they might not even need information from phones.
Okay. If the state provide you with a list of certain witnesses not to interfere with, will you comply with that?
I will comply, sir.
If ACC waited, investigated, completed their investigation, they are done with the investigation, they have given you an opportunity to explain, and they served with their summon to come to court without arrest, would you have complied with that?
I will
A
happily
mere
come,
summon.
I'll happily come to the court, sir.
If the court, instead of bail, want you to go home, because that is actually what I will ask because of the poor nature of the case, will you comply with the warning to come back to this court and stand your trial?
100%, sir.
You have complained about you being charged with duplicated, repetitive charges, that do not exist, things you do not know. Does anybody have just to throw charges on you to strengthen the state case?
Yeah, I think they just wanted to strengthen, so the same as the amount of 480 million that apparently we make the loss to the state.
If the state court decide to have you going home, and it's not a warning but bail, what amount, a fair and reasonable amount that you can pay?
I can say also 20,000 because I didn't do anything wrong. I did not steal any money for anybody.
And I have already asked you, at which address will you be staying, just for transparency?
Number 16 Lessing Street, Windhoek, sir.
And you said, would you be able to report if the court direct that you report?
Yes, sir.
Anything? I think I kept my promise, Your Worship.
Yes.
Again, the document that I used, Your Worship, I will hand up after Lydia.
Yes, that is already on record.
I think it's quick.
Yes, I think so. Maybe I was pushing you. Yes, say.
Your Worship, I just wanted to also address the issue of public perceptions.
Yeah. Yes, I forgot about that. Yes.
Of course, whenever there is a case of corruption, it's serious, number one, it's in its nature. But I just wanted to say that when it comes to public perception, yes, public need to know what is have to be done, but the same interest for the public need also to know the truth and the facts. In these instances, sometimes it happens whereby public is angered, and in most of the time they read through newspapers. When figures, like in our case, today is 480, tomorrow is 200, the next day is 300. Just figure that are through that can on purposely anger the public, when in fact we were supposed to talk about the figure of 18 million here. We were not even supposed to talk the figure of 53, when 35 was paid already back. But sometimes the public is also relying on that information in the media when can be really wrong. I can cite like on Monday, when a certain newspaper, the Namibian, reporting, Lydia Elindi is the wife of Peter Elindi, and the next page, Lydia Elindi is the wife of Malakia Elindi. And Peter Elindi was the former NDF member. Maybe he wanted to say ex-combat. I mean, he's a veteran, instead of saying a member of NDF. So those kind of wrong information fuel public, whereby the case look like it's big, it's serious, when in fact it's a commercial transaction that we just handle.
Okay, and lastly, that was something that I just forgot. You have now made revelations that you were not given an opportunity to give to ACC at the time of arrest, particularly the role of your wife, who would have been caring for your children. Now, having told the court and all and sundry about your wife's lack of involvement in Onyeka and lack of her knowledge, what is your expectation?
My expectation is I was expecting my wife to be home by now. Simply, I thought there is also a provision within the Constitution that protect kids, so that we have a minor at home that we have to send to live with neighbors to go to school starting from the first day of school, simply because ACC could have able to even take me and leave my wife And she cannot run to go anywhere, or we cannot run anywhere since we hear that. For a person driving from the north, risking driving 11 o'clock in the evening on Tuesday to be with a husband on Wednesday, the day that we were arrested.
Mr. Court, please.
Yes, so you are under oath. Councils, we have already, by agreement, that the matter is rolled to tomorrow from 10, because the other two councils are involved in the High Court. Yes. Accused? Yes, the matter is postponed to tomorrow. We are going to proceed from 10. You are in custody. Yes. The court adjourns.